Hello students, so in this question you have been asked to find out the total probability of finding a particle in the space. Okay, you are given with the options and you have to choose the correct options. So from here, if you see about what is actually it is asking that we have a particle that is in the space and we have to find a probability that what is the probability of finding that electron, okay, finding that particle, any particle. So if we see in the quantum chemistry, if we have a look in our quantum chemistry, in that we deal with the particle that is mostly electron, right? So, but here we'll take in the consideration of particle only. So, in the quantum chemistry, what is happening that we are given if we have to find out the probability. So, the probability